Hey, Phil. You got me dead to right. Yep.
Hey guys, got another gameplay video from Frontier Fortress. Today we have our boy Ryan running his VFC Avalon for his primary, and the Elite Force 1911 as his sideline. For this week's video, the game mode is Domination, in which there are 3 pinwheels across the field with a red indicator on one end and a blue indicator on the other. Ryan's team color is red. Myself and Nettie were out on the other team to keep it interesting. Now watch as Ryan completely destroys our team straight off the whistle. Let's jump right into it.
Sorry. Hey, bang. Bang. Oh, shit. Nice rope. Nice rope.
Dude, keep spinning back.
You're good.
No, it's one back.
It's all right. Hey, you got mid too. We got mid. We're clear. Center fort's clear.
Stop center.
Shit. Hey. Hey, come on. Spread out. Hit the trench. Let's go. Come on. Come to me. Yep, come on, behind me. All right, get in there. Get in the trench. Sorry, Ed. Hey, they're in the fort with me on the ground level in the trench. Yeah, so watch it. They're going to be coming from my left when I get hit. Yep. Shot my hand too.
We need to push that flag right there.
Did they flip it?
I tried to, but I got them little kids over there. So if you want to push that flag with me, we can easily get that flag.
Let's give it a shot. I'm right on your 6.
Stay there, brother. Keep an eye on him.
Get in. Go.
Hit.
Hey, go now. Now. Yes, go. Yeah, we got it. Watch my left. Yeah, hey, right on my butthole. Here we. Yeah, center's out. Go ahead, move up. On center. Take his spot. Hey guys, red on me on this side. Wait on me. Let's go. Let's go. Move up. Move up. Everybody on red, move up now. Sphinx, we got to make a move on that quick. 30 seconds. Yo, behind you. Yep, keep it up, yep. Oh, we were right there. Good try though, good try. Hey, good game.
Unfortunately, what's not on camera is mine and Eddie's perspective, but we ended up taking that game home because we held 2 of the 3 objectives at the time of the whistle. Anyway, if you enjoyed this gameplay, please hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, we plan to put up new videos every Monday. Hope you enjoyed this gameplay. See you next week.